Our top story tonight is back in Washington, where the president's longtime lawyer and former chief problem solver exacerbated some long-running problems for his former boss in high-profile testimony on Capitol Hill. Michael Cohen told a House committee and millions on television that the president is a racist, a con man, and a cheat. Republicans say Cohen, who's about to go to prison for lying to Congress, is a fraudster, a cheat, and a convicted felon who should not be trusted. Chief Intelligence Correspondent Catherine Herridge has been following all the developments. She has the substance behind today's name-calling on Capitol Hill tonight. Good evening, Catherine.
Well, thank you, Brett, and good evening. The 7-hour testimony indicates that President Trump's greatest legal jeopardy may be in the Southern District of New York and not Russian collusion. Cohen testified that he was instructed not to answer questions about conversations that took place after an April 2018 FBI raid.
Unfortunately, this topic is actually something that's being investigated right now by the Southern District of New York, and I've been asked by them not to discuss and not to talk about these issues.
Michael Cohen, the president's long-serving and now disgraced attorney, went before a top congressional committee. Mr. Trump's former fixer telling lawmakers he needs to fix one more thing.
I am here under oath to correct the record, to answer the committee's questions truthfully, and to offer the American people what I know about President Trump.
Cohen not mincing his words.
I am ashamed because I know what Mr. Trump is. He is a racist, he is a con man, and he is a cheat.
From the outset, Republicans urged their colleagues not to forget Cohen's track record with the truth.
The first announced witness for the 116th Congress is a guy who is going to prison in 2 months for lying to Congress.
Cohen testified that he decided to lie about a Trump Tower real estate project. He was not directed by the president to mislead Congress.
He lied about it because he never expected to win. He also lied about it because he stood to make hundreds of millions of dollars.
Cohen said the president signed checks along with his son Don Jr. in 2017 to cover payments to silence Stormy Daniels, who claimed an affair with the president.
The payments were designed to be paid over the course of 12 months.
Was there a retainer agreement?
There is no retainer agreement.
On Russian collusion, Cohen alleged a call between candidate Trump and political operative Roger Stone over the hacked Democratic emails.
Mr. Assange told Mr. Stone that within a couple of days there would be a massive dump of emails that would damage Hillary Clinton's campaign.
And Cohen claimed the president was guilty of other indiscretions.
You're a pathological liar. You don't know truth from falsehood.
Sir, I'm sorry. Are you referring to me or the president?
Hey, this is my time.
And I am going to prison. I will be away from my wife and family.
Republicans are not convinced about Cohen's moral awakening, alleging he may have a lot to gain from his testimony.
Testimony here could actually help you out in getting your sentence lessened. Isn't that true?
I'm not really sure how my appearance here today is providing substantial information that the Southern District can use.
Today, Republican Congressman Mark Meadows took the initial steps to make a criminal referral alleging Cohen had violated the Foreign Agents Registration Act, or FARA, over his work for Kazakhstan, among other nations. Meadows also pointed to discrepancies in Cohen's testimony today. Cohen will be back on the Hill tomorrow for a third day, this time in front of the House Intelligence Committee for a closed-door session. Brett.
Catherine Herridge live on the Hill after a long day. Catherine, thank you.